So today I just wanted to briefly touch on the rack system that we use for our organization of parts within our process-centered environment. So before a vehicle comes in, we obviously have empty racks here. They're ready to go with slip covers. So this is the empty one. Obviously here's the one that's been filled up. And basically it outlines the vehicle for us. So we put the slip in so we know what the repair order is, what the vehicle is, the VIN number, our intake, target delivery date, claim number, things like that are all on this. And then what we do is, as the parts come in after they've been ordered, we will mirror match them to make sure they are the correct part. We'll verify that they're not damaged, and we'll put them back in their wrapping or container until we have all the parts on hand ready to begin the process. So this is just a process within our processes of keeping parts organized and making sure they're in a dedicated, localized area for when the technician goes to find them and ready to work on the vehicle. He has everything that's been checked in, not damaged, and ready to go. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you can follow us on our journey with all these unique, amazing vehicles that we're working on. Thanks for watching.